Whenever I feel overwhelmed, nature is my favorite place to go to. The vastness of it reminds me of how small I am. How minute my problems are compared to what God can do. What the universe has already created. Landscapes that have been here for centuries before me. The same ocean my ancestors saw before me, still here, ever flowing. It reminds me to stay present. There's so much we don't notice when we don't pay attention. There's a whole ecosystem that exists underneath my feet. Ants, snails, all these different creatures experiencing life here with me. How lucky am I to exist in this timeline with all these creatures? So many have gone extinct, but not them, not us, not now. Here we are, existing. And in that stillness, I am reminded that I am allowed to just be. Not everything needs to be solved today. Not every fear deserves a future. Not every thought deserves my attention. Nature doesn't rush. It doesn't strive. Everything is happening in divine timing. The oceans carve stone without force, only persistence. Maybe that's what I'm meant to learn here, to trust the unfolding, to take up space gently but fully, to exist, to simply be. There's so much joy in the present, so much peace in remembering that I am part of something ancient, something divine, something way bigger than me, something that I can only hope will exist even after me.